The Aerless vacuum kit is basically a generic dropshipping vacuum storage set, not some secret space shrinking miracle. It uses zip style bags and a handheld pump to compress soft items like clothes, beddings, and pillows so they take up less room in a closet or suitcase. In ideal conditions with really fluffy stuff, you can see noticeable space savings. So let's check Google reverse image search, and you can see the Aerless branding here on the vacuum kit, and then you have this one without the Aerless brand. One has another brand name on it called Lumelax, and some other ones without brand names, just like this. That said, the 60% figure is more marketing than real guarantee. The actual space you reclaim depends entirely on what you're compressing. Thick jackets and comforters shrink more than thin shirts and jeans, and you still need room in the bag for the item before sucking air out. Build quality is average. The bags are typical plastic, the pump is basic, and some users report seals that leak or wear over time. The airless vacuum kit does help free up space on bulky items, but it doesn't literally shrink everything by 60% no matter what. And please, if you want to buy this product, just go and buy the generic ones you'll see on Amazon's because those are cheaper.